Hi, I'm Tim Jefferson. I'm SVP of Engineering at DNA at Barracuda Networks. Barracuda Networks is a leading provider of security solutions for enterprises of all sizes. We have a great relationship with Microsoft. We were their Security Partner of the Year back in 2016, and over the years we have great insight into some of the challenges Azure customers are having. Cloud Security Guardian is a SaaS-based solution that helps Azure customers consume Azure more securely. The main challenge that we're trying to solve is we've heard from a lot of customers that developers want to use and consume Azure and all the cool new services. They want to build on Azure, they want to do it quickly, they want to build fast. But yet the security teams are asking them to slow down because they need to make sure that they put the proper controls around the use of those services. 80% of cloud breaches are really caused by vulnerabilities around the configuration and the use of the service and not the service itself. And that's the big challenge that Cloud Security Guardian is meant to solve. It's a SaaS-based solution that can log in a customer's Azure subscription, and using some really cool Azure native constructs like the Graph Security API, we can pull all the telemetry out of the environment and give the customer unique insight into the security posture of every single resource deployed. And we assess that posture based on CIS benchmarks, best practices around security, a lot of the compliance frameworks like PCI and HIPAA. In addition, any alert we find that violates that policy, we can build automated remediation. So for every single alert, we have a corresponding JSON template that helps the customers remediate that alert. So over time, you can see that a customer can have 70 or 80% of all their security incidents from detection to response completely automated. On the commercial side, it's a SaaS-based solution that only charges a fee for resource under protection. So based on the deployment and the services that the customers are using today, it's just tied specifically to that. So the unique thing about that is the cost of the security solution is actually pinned closely to the size of the deployment, and that makes budgeting for your security solutions very predictable.